Good day, guys. Guess what, guys? Today's video is going to be a different illustration. But before I proceed, I always say this and I'll keep on saying it. My videos here on my channel are only meant for educational purposes. All right, I teaches people on how to go about trading online on the gaming system. Okay, so moving on. Um, okay, first and foremost, I got a job of um 40,000, and that was like last 2 months, which is my physical job. I mean my handwork. So someone gave me a job of 40K, which I'm supposed to execute this week. um the thing is, since the person gave me the job, is we've already discussed about the job, but we is yet to give me go ahead to do the job and pay the job. So he paid for the job yesterday, and I was like, since we discussed about this job, you should know that okay, everything would have rised up, but he doesn't want to listen to that, and I don't even want to talk about maybe the materials has rised up, but I just had to do it since I have already given him the price. All right, fine and good. So when I called the market and tried to confirm the price, I noticed it has increased as well, just the way I've thought it has increased. So the material I want to get, everything is going to be rounding up to 60,000 naira. Understand? And he gave me 40,000 naira. So it doesn't, no gain, nothing. And it's a person I don't want to start, having this banter of the price has increased or it hasn't increased. If I told him, he might want to add up something, but I decide not to tell him anything. I just want to come online here and uses this for Nigeria trading system to get the extra 20K so I can execute a job. So in case you want to give me a job, I also have my own handwork I'm doing aside from this casino. Aside from casino game, I'm a graphics tech. I'm very sure those who has my WhatsApp number will know that I do graphics, I do website designing, website developer, understand. And again, I do all such of kind of printing press. You understand? I do printing, I do branding, and I do graphics. Okay. All right. So now moving on. So I'll be depositing the money on my Financial Casino game now, and I'm going to be using it on a trade. But before I do that, I thought of okay, if I should deposit now, which strategy should I use to counter this the system? So there was a day I was looking onto my old videos I've posted on YouTube. So as I was looking at them, so peradventures I came across one video which I posted on my on my channel, my first channel, which was brought down. So it was on AB Casino. So the lesson I show workings on how to predict rainbow, so which I would like to use them because I when I watch the video and I make use of the strategy and it works fine. Like it works really good. So I decided to use it on this. I call the strategy rainbow combo. Yes, I know it sounds funny. Yeah, that's the name. Those who has been following me on Epic Casino will know that strategy, the rainbow combo. So I'm going to be using it on this to get my reward. But please, if you know you can't afford to lose any money, don't come on this system to try this. All right. So let's go, guys. So I'm going to my PanPay account to do the transactions. All right. So as I do the transactions, and I'm going to be performing the strategy. So please, guys, like I said before, if you know you can't afford to lose any money on this, don't try it. Okay, it's a risky decision, but it pays. Most times it pays. All right. So I'll be depositing my funds. I'll be making this as fast as possible because I have some other things to attend to. Just watch, guys. Alright guys, so I had made the deposits into the accounts. Alright, so I made deposits into the account. So watch, let me refresh the system. Alright, very good. Now can you see the money has been deposited successfully in the account? So now I'll be using this to get extra 20k, which is 40,000, to give me 20,000. Everything is going to become 60k. Alright, so let's do this. Although I'm a little bit scared one side, but at the same time, there's this saying that says, in as much money is involved, we do everything to get it. Alright, so let's go guys, let's go and do this. So which me well, so anything that happens, I'm ready to take it. Alright guys, let's go.